Made it to Seattle, finally, 5-hour flight. Wasn't too bad though. I had Wi-Fi on the plane for the first time. I don't know why I haven't been getting Wi-Fi on the plane, but now I got it. Oh man, I'm kind of tired. I'm just gonna get my rental car, get up to Mount Vernon, and then, yeah. So I'll see y'all in a little bit when I get everything situated. See you. Yes, sir. In Seattle. I made it to Seattle. I went by the smoke shop. Got me a little something to smoke on. You can actually see the freaking mountain. It's a mountain right there. Is that Mount? That's like Mount Rainier or something. You can't really see it, but you can see it. It's off in the distance. Just at the smoke shop, I just picked up some Jesus OG. About a quarter of this. See how it works out. Let's do it. We're gonna keep the vlog going. We're gonna have some fun this weekend, so y'all just stay tuned. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Nice. I'm in Mount Vernon. See this bullshit Kia they got me in. It is what it is though. Yeah, made it. Cabin vibes. We are freaking here. All right, let's go inside, see what's up. Yeah, I'm heading to North Cascades National Park. I had a good night. I just chilled last night. I didn't do too much, but we're up early at Mount Vernon. I got to stop by Walmart, grab a lunchbox, and then I am on my way. So I'll pop back up. We'll see some sights, see some scenery. Let's do it. So Diablo Lake was pretty cool. And I guess technically I'm kind of still on it maybe, but I'm walking down to check out this lake. I don't know the name of it, but it's this Trail Creek, Trailhead. I'm about to walk this, I'm about to hike this trail. Oh my God, look at it. So beautiful. This water out here clear as day. Okay, it's probably freezing cold, but I'm not sure how sturdy this is. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, wow. It's freaking gorgeous out here. I'm walking Thunder Knob Trail. Damn, I feel like something just got in my mouth. Man, let me drink some water real quick. Hold on. I'll give me a little second. I hear some unsafe river crossing. And I'm starting to hear it. So, let's see. Hopefully it's not bad. Safest way to cross this thing. Wow. Damn. Ah. Damn. Ah. I'm at the Rosario Head Trail out here on Ana Cortez Island, and I'm about to explore the trail. So passing through a campground. Oh wow. That is crazy. It's La Push, baby. La Push. It's fucking beautiful out here. Jesus Christ. This video just don't do it justice. Very fun hike. Oh, still got a little bit more to go. This terrain is a little bit something. It's kind of steep, but it's nice either way. I'm having a great time out here in Washington. Washington. I'm on San Cortez Island. Well, maybe that's San Cortez. Maybe that island right there is San Cortez Island. And I'm bordering it. But yeah, boy, it's so crazy being so close to the coastline like this. But it's fun either way. Kind of scary being so close to the freaking coastline. You fall off that cliff, you go down that cliff, you're pretty much done for. But I'm having a good time out here on this hike anyway. Oh yeah, check the fit, check the fit. Shit, hold on. Yeah, fit check, looking good. All right, let's go ahead and finish this on up. Back from that hike. Wasn't too bad, about 2 mile hike or so. Pretty good, saw some great views. Just about to go back to the Airbnb, get me some food, just chill, and then pop back up in a few hours, go on another hike. Let's do it. It's a pretty fun trail. Everything is marked for the most part. But it's so fun. I'm having a good time out here, just getting in touch with nature. I like this shit. I'll be doing it a lot more often. So yeah, just stay tuned, subscribe to see what all else we got happening, coming forward and going on. So yeah. And that concludes that hike. It's pretty fun. All right, I'm done hiking. I'm going home. Last day in the cabin. I'm actually about to leave. Going to Seattle. I'm about to spend the rest of today and I fly out tomorrow. I'm going to be spending that in downtown Seattle, just checking out the city and relaxing, chilling, getting some food. So yeah, it's been super fun out here in Mount Vernon. Going to all those different hikes and just being able to go up to North Cascades National Park. It's been amazing. So yeah, see you in Seattle. I'm in Seattle. Yes, I am experiencing the rainy wetness of the Pacific Northwest, but I'm about to rock through it and rock it out. So yeah, let's do it. I'm going to Pike Place to get me some food. I'm gonna go eat some food somewhere else, but apparently you can't come to Seattle without coming to this place. So here we go. Yeah. All right. Out to everybody. Mostly. Whoa! Motherfucker. Can't video, stupid ass. I gotta catch a flight. See, I would get some tulips for a lady or whatever, but I can't because I gotta catch a flight. I don't know where the hell they would go. They couldn't go on my carry-on. I don't feel like carrying no flowers throughout the airport and all that shit. Nah, I'm not doing that. Pretty fucking disgusting if you ask me. Yeah, that's pretty nasty.
Very nasty.
What do they do? This is real gum?
Yes.
Yeah. Says a lot about Seattle. Let me go back upstairs. That's not for me. Oh, they drinking something good up over there. I guess it's a tulip festival right now. Get you a crack pipe. Crack rock, crack rock. Crack rock, crack rock. Oh, they got raw honey, okay. Crooked cop, dead cop. How much stuff can you push to me? I'll be like, Mr. Blank Blank, you know that you need to drink your alcohol every day now, or this was gonna happen to you. Why he had no alcohol that day? Could he just not afford it? Hold on. He came into the hospital because he was going through an alcoholic tremor. But why did he? Yeah, he need to. If you gotta, yeah, if you just can't pass out and go home, or just lay in your bed, and you gotta go to the hospital, yeah, you need to stop, bro. You need to stop on something serious. In Seattle. Hold on, let me hold my mic. I had a good weekend in Seattle and Mount Vernon and Seattle and a few other places. So this is the outro. I'm out. Appreciate y'all coming. I enjoyed the hike and I enjoyed everything pretty much. And so yeah, I'll see you around. See you on the next vlog, see you in the next video, whatever I do next. And let's do it. And I'm sorry about not making content, man. I've been going through some shit. But I'm back on it. I'm back on every day, every other day content, whatever the situation may be. And yeah, that's how we rocking. See you.